Hi, my name is Mary. I work here at Guaranty. I'd like to show you the Apex 16 Tera. It's a great trailer. If you've got a small truck, this is a very lightweight trailer, easy to tow. So come on and let's look inside. The features in this small, lightweight unit are well worth taking a look at. The queen-size bed completely raises up, allowing you to store gear underneath the bed. You could fit a canoe, or a kayak, or all your camping gear, because there's a door that opens up at the back that allows you to load gear inside this trailer. It's almost like a toy hauler. The kitchen is a Dometic 2-burner stove. There's a microwave, a deep sink, lots of drawers and cabinets. Your bathroom is bright with a skylight, and it has an extra shelf for storage. The dinette folds into a bed, and this table can easily be moved inside or outside to use with your handy outside kitchen. So, if you would like to have a fun adventure in this 16 Tera, please come out and visit us here in Junction City. My name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. I'd love to help you and show you this unit.